Hello everyone, I am Ashok. Welcome to the new video. In this video, we discussing about previous gate question of KCL and KVL. You are not watch my first basic concept of KCL and KVL. Please watch my previous video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. We get notified as soon as possible when you upload the new video. Let's start the video. I will take three questions in this video. I will explain. This is a KVL question. This is KCL question. This is a simple question. I will tell the trick. So I will take it. First, in this, find out V1, V2 and find out I. How will you find out? First, we applied KVL. KVL in this loop. KVL in this loop. Loop 1. I consider loop 1. So, I will explain in this my previous video. Put leaving sign. Leaving sign is I will move on this side. Leaving sign is positive 32. Then you move on to this. Entering the node is positive and leaving the node is negative. Then this is also I. This is also positive and negative. Then V1. This is minus. Leaving sign is minus V1. This is leaving sign is plus of minus 8. This is minus 8 volt, so put minus 8 volt. Then this is leaving sign is minus V2 is equal to 0. We know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri. So V1 is equal to R. R is 4 into I is I. So 32 minus V1 is 4 into I. 4I plus into minus 8 V2. V2 is 2 into I minus 2I is equal to 0. 32 minus 8 is 36. 36 minus 4I minus 2I is minus 6I is equal to 0. Minus 6I is equal to minus 36. Minus is get cancel. I is equal to 36 by 6. 6 ones are 6. So we get I is equal to 6 ampere. We find out V2 and V1. V1 is equal to I into R. That is 4 into I. V1 is equal to 4 into 6. V1 is equal to 24 volt. We put positive or negative. We compare this sign. This is plus, minus. Plus, minus. So you put positive sign. This sign convention we are confusing. Watch my previous video. It is clarified. Then V2 is equal to I into R. V2 is equal to I is 6 into R is 2. V2 is equal to 6 2s are 12 volt. We put positive or negative. Compare this sign. Minus, minus. So this is our opposite sign. We put negative sign. This is the answer for this question. Let's move on to the another question. This question regarding KCL. This is also gate previous question. This is also very simple but a very tricky question. Entering the node is this entering the current. This is also entering the current but leaving the current through resistance R of IR current. So we will find out theta. In this video we will find out theta if some condition is given. If IR of t is equal to 3 into e to the power of minus 40 plus 4 into e to the power of minus 3t and IL is IL of 0. IL of 0 means t is equal to 0. That means 1 ampere. IL is equal to 1 ampere at t is equal to 0. I will find out t is equal to 0 in IR. T is equal to 0. IR of 0 is equal to 3 into e to the power of minus 4 into 0 plus 4 into e to the power of minus 3 into 0. E to the power of minus 4 into 0 is e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. So IR of 0 is equal to 3 plus 4. IR of 0 is equal to 7 ampere. So I will consider node A. Entering the node, and leaving the node. Entering the node is equal to leaving the node according to KCL. Apply KCL at node A. Entering the node, IL is equal to 12 cos omega t minus theta. This is plus is equal to leaving the node IR. When t is equal to 0, IL is equal to 1 ampere plus 12 cos omega t. Omega into 0 is minus theta is equal to IR. IR we find out 7 ampere. 12 cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. Cos theta is equal to 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 is theta is equal to 60 degree. This is also very simple problem. This is the answer for this question. I will take another question. This is simple question. I will tell the trick. Find the I. Entering the node 6 ampere is current entering, and leaving is also 6 ampere. This 4 ampere is this direction, and this direction is I. This move on to the left side is 4 ampere. And how much current flowing this resistance? This is very simple. 6 ampere is entering, 4 ampere is reversing, but 2 ampere is move on this side. So I is equal to, very simple question, I is equal to 2 ampere. I will cut 6 ampere, find out I. This is I is equal to 2 ampere. I will given. This is very simple. Entering the node is equal to leaving the node. But don't solve this question. Put 6 ampere. This is the correct answer for this question. Thank you for watching till end.